Hello guys, welcome to another video that I'll be showing my progress in terms of the trades that I took today, whether I took any trades and how it went. So today has been quite tough. Took a loss in the morning during London session and another trade on NQ that didn't confirm this New York session. Just look at the trading view. Here we go. So this is the trade that lost on gold this morning, and just to begin from the higher time frame to show you the thought process that I went through when I wanted to execute, the reason as to why I executed that trade. So in the morning, the market had not really hit this level. You can see it has just hit this level during New York session. So I was anticipating a move to the downside to break this daily structure, and I wanted the market to, because the market had broken structure to the downside here on 1 hour. I just came down and looked for a retest in the premium. Remember, you sell in premium and buy in discount. So the market had already hit our equilibrium point, and I was looking for a sell. Then one of my requirements is that I want the market to sweep some liquidity and then change character on the 1 minute time frame, and then I can execute. But in this particular case, the sweep that I considered this morning was this one. Okay, a sweep of a structure formed by the same internal structure. Preferably, I would prefer some sort of liquidity on the left. Like for example, if there was liquidity on the left like this, and then the market just comes and sweeps it. Understand? The market comes and sweeps it and then starts to change structure. But even this is valid, only that it's not a high probability as compared to when liquidity is on the left. So I came down to 1 minute time frame. This is the time frame of execution. This is what I use for executing trades. Then looked at this sweep, and then a slight break to the downside, and then decided to pull the trigger at this point. And then boom, the market came, stopped me out. I then stopped trading for that session. I didn't want to overtrade. Really, overtrading hasn't been my problem. I have conquered that back in the days when during my first year of trading, I would overtrade a lot because I didn't have rules. I didn't have, all those a set of framework for my execution, because I need to see a specific pattern for me to execute, like this one. Yeah, that was a loss well taken. We move on. You can see the market ended up going down as I anticipated, but my timing was a little bit wrong. These reactions happened around 1 p.m. East African time, and then the other one is 3:30. This is basically around 30 minutes to New York Open. So I didn't get involved here. Another trade that I was looking at was the NQ trade. If I was to show you the NQ trade, look at the NQ trade that I was to execute today. Let me begin from the daily time frame. Daily time frame is taking a little bit long, but you'll bear with me. My internet is a little bit slow today. Okay, so this is what I had. I'm anticipating the NQ to take out this low, the daily. Therefore, I was looking for lower prices. Then I start my analysis from the higher time frame going down to the lower time frame. And then I saw this nice respect of this fair value gap to the downside. Then looked at the 1 hour. I think it's clear on the 1 hour, like that. Then the market came down, broke this mini structure here again. The market continued respecting these fair value gaps to the downside. And then I was like, looking at the 1 hour, we had this fair value gap here and liquidity, the London high here, which was very nice liquidity. I was waiting for a manipulation of that London high and then market structure shift on the lower time frame. That's the 1 minute time frame, and so that I can take my sales. Because as you can see, the market never gave me a pattern that I want to see, something like this. If I saw something like this, I would have taken this trade. You know, it will be something like that, a change of character, then a retest, and then I will go down with it. But it never happened, so we have to follow the plan. We don't regret anything. The only thing you don't want to experience is a situation whereby you have a trade that perfectly meets your criteria and you don't take it. That's a really bad thing, because it will ruin your equity curve. Because if now you are not taking the good trades, and then when bad trades are there, that's when you're missing good trades. You won't have consistent results. Yeah, so that's it for today. For my Profam account, I am down around 5%. It's not a big deal, but it's quite significant drawdown. I'll continue trading the account. We might get out of drawdown, we might not. We might blow the account, we might not. So as long as I'm executing my plan, there's no problem with that. I hope that's enough for today. Thank you guys. Let's wait for the next session, the next video. Subscribe. Peace.